Welcome to Howard Brown Online Barber College. I'm Charles Howard. This is your Barber School Minute. The question asked today is, how can I learn to be a barber? That is a great question. Depending on the area you are in, barber schools in California require 1,500 hours, in Texas 1,000 hours, and Maryland 1,200 hours. Most barber schools do require you to have practical and theory hours. With practical hours, you will need to be in school physically to perform those services. Some schools are now holding theory classes online, which make it easy for students who have to work and go to school. When it comes to learning to be a barber, you get out of it what you put in it. I'm Charles Howard. This is your Barber School Minute.